Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aisha binti Muhammad Zaki, and today I'm going to present my system for final year project, which is human counting detection system for social distancing. This system will be applied for Warung Kak Long. Warung Kak Long is a popular breakfast and lunch spot Malaysia street food in Selangor, which located in Bandar Tun Hussein. The main purpose of the human counting detection system for social distancing is to help to count numbers of customers inside of a Warung Kak Long, and this system will show how many customers inside Warung Kak Long's restaurant for make it easier for their staff to control customers at one time for remain social distancing. The problem statements for this project is a few retailers are unable to offer their service online. During COVID-19, the virus could spread to all people easily. And lastly, in many places, customers must stand at least 6 feet or in outdoor spaces to remain social distancing. Project objectives to design a detection system that able to count human for remain social distancing, to develop a detection system for counting human by using web-based system with OpenCV methods, to evaluate functionality of the human counting detection. Project scopes focus on the Warung Kak Long, which located in Cheras, Selangor. Target user for this project are customers who comes to Warung Kak Long, and prototype of this project will be built as a web-based system for human counting detection. Project significances to be beneficial to adopted by retailers to assist them in complying with government social distancing criteria. Is out of measures put in place to help monitor the spread of COVID-19, result at whole occupancy data from people counting technology can save costs and optimize space in the Warung Kak Long, and as well as provide long-term business. For this part is a literature review. In this session, we'll give an explanation regarding the information that are related to the project, and also literature review describe about human counting detection for social distancing in details to assist the readers in understanding about the project methodology flow. So this is my literature review. The methodology chosen is modified waterfall model as it's suitable for this development. And this model will evaluate if the system satisfy the retailers and customers' needs and requirement as well. So in this part, I'm show my flowchart for this system. There are 3 flowchart. First is login. Secondly is a main page, and lastly is human counting detection flowchart. For login flowchart is to validate whether the user is already logged in or not. Once the user sign in, user can successfully sign in to the application of their data in the database. Meanwhile, if the user's data is incorrect or does not exist in the database, the login will fail and the user will have to sign in again or create a new account. The main menu page will appear after a successful sign-in. The user's email will be displayed on the user's profile on the main menu page if they exist in the database. So for the also the user can also view information about the system on the main menu. And then in the human counting detection, The system will be display a button open camera to let user to connect the system with their camera, and the system will start the detection process. If the camera detected a human, it will start to count person enter the store. Use case diagram is a behavior diagram that shows how actors and the system interact. It is used to record the project's need. The actor is a user that associated with three use case, and user is the driver. In the system boundary, there are three use cases. First is register account. Secondly is a login account, and lastly is a view human counting detection. In register account, a new user by need to fulfill all the requirements in the registration form. For login account, login as a user to get access to the application and use all the features that providing by the system. For view human counting detection, user can view human counting detection system, which will see total human in the frame. Chain notation model is one of the models used in ER modeling. There are three elements in a chain notation, which are entities, relationship, and cardinality. In chain notation, entities are represented by a rectangle and relationships are represented by a triangle. There are two entities in this project, which are users and human counting detection. The entities are connected with a line called as cardinality. So in this figure shows a many-to-many relationship is used to connect between user and human counting detection entities, and the relationship between these two entities is view. Next, I will show the system demo. So this is a system demo for human counting detection system for social distancing. This is a login page that will show that user needs to enter their username and password. If the user is not yet a member, they need to sign up. So this is the sign up page. So for example, user need to enter their username, email shar@gmail.com, password shar123, and confirm password shar123, and then register. After the register, it will show the main page of the system. So in this localhost PHP my admin, the user Sharzani will be added, and the password will show in this type, which I'm using a hash function for the password. And then when they are logged in, when they need to start the counting detection, they need to click this button, counting detection. And once the user press the counting detection button, it will show the human count real monitoring analysis window. So this is an example picture from Warung Kat Long that I took before this, and it will show there are 9 human. So this is the example of result by using the human counting detection system for social distancing that apply in Warung Kat Long. It shows there are 8 human count in this place, and the red line is show that between two people in that restaurant is too close. So this is the result that I get from human counting detection system for social distancing that apply in Warung Katlong. In this frame, it shows that there are 8 people in this frame. So basically, this project is works efficiently. And lastly, for the conclusion for this project is, as a result of the testing, it can be concluded that the system is functional and that the project's objectives were met as planned. Thank you.